Thanks, Janji, for that light story. Moving on, despite stiff opposition from local communities, Kenya's march to nuclear power continues unabated, with the Nuclear Power and Energy Agency receiving 56 acres at Konza Techno-City to develop a research and testing facility as it works to ensure Kenya's dream of achieving nuclear energy by 2034. NUPEA expects to spend 36.2 billion Kenya shillings to put up the facility, with a recurrent budget of 8.3 billion over the 10-year period. In a move aimed at creating knowledge and familiarity and removing stigma associated with nuclear power, NUPEA has begun to train school children on the basics of nuclear power and has so far trained 300 students in over 100 schools.
And that is why we must have a candid conversation about development of nuclear power. And I like the timelines in which nuclear power you have set of 2034. Because around 2034, we have an agenda of having green power by the year 2030. By 2034, all the power plants, 2035, all the thermal power plants, about 500 megawatts, will be retiring. What shall we replace with as a country?
This nuclear research reactor facility that we are proposing to develop within this strategic period will bring about a game changer in the health sector, in the water sector, because of the use of nuclear techniques for water resource management. We are also going to bring about radioisotopes for use in the industry. So this is a facility that will be a game changer, and it is going to be located at Konza Technopolis.
Now, the Kenya Union of Special Needs Education Teachers providing training